Hi friends, today start the 10th class, 10th topic. This topic go over this first unit for Python. Suppose you not watch my channel, please watch balance 9 where topic is there. You please watch and learning the Python software. One unit complete. Yeah, this is the last topic. So last class I complete the string functions. This class continue the slides, list method, dictionaries, key value pairs, tuples function. So discuss about this all points. Okay. First, what is a list? List of the items called the list. So number of items, equation of item, anything, store this list. So list is a sequence of values, is a string. That values are the characters, whereas in a list they can be of any type. The values the list are called the elements or items or members. It is on the ordered set of the values enclosed in square bracket. The values the list can be modified. The list we can use the square bracket. That is the important. Square bracket mention the list. So list license. The list license operators works on list. This is used to display the more than one selected value on the output screen. License are the treat as a boundaries and the result will contain all the elements between the boundaries. Yeah, list number of items stored the square brackets, a list license of the operators words on list. Okay, this all items stored in output screen of boundaries. Syntax. Sequence equals to list of start, stop and steps. So we can using this syntax the Python. For I give the one example program. Store the value to L. So 10, 20, 30, 40 stored to L. So L1 equal to L of 2 is to 4. What is the meaning for 2 is to 4? 2 means second position and 4 means fourth position. So get and print this value. Print L1. So 220 here now. Here 2 position, what value is there? 20 is there. Fourth position 40 is there. So 2 is 20 and 40 answer. Okay. So list of method. The more than method using this list: append, extend, pop, delete, remove, insert and sort, reverse is len. So a few example give here. List append means what? Add the item. So one list is there, one item insert using the append method. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 list is there. Append 2000, print L. So add the 2000. If you want any item, one add to the list, append using extends also same method. Last after extend some item. Here give some examples: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 2000. List 10,000 to 2,500. Extend list 1. Already 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 2000 is there. Added this 2 item using extend. Append all adding, the extend all adding that. Pop up. You know that pop up last in first. Push means the push item, pop item learning to CPP. The same method pop. Pop means last in first out. So pop method last item what category is there? 50 is there. That 50 is as in here. Okay. So all of you understood clearly to list method. Shall I go dictionary? Dictionary means what? The all dictionary is like a list but more in generation. The list index the value on the integer, while is a dictionary is the index value can be any other data or type. So group of the data store the dictionary. So whatever data you want, the declaration to the integer format you want, you want the data, we can use it. So different categories of function is also there. So and are called a type. The key will be used as a string, as is the easy to So, so easy to recall. The dictionary is an extremely useful data storage construction for storing and retrieving all key value pairs. All key value pairs. The key value pairs means we can refer to a dictionary as a mapping between a set of indicates and a set of values each key maps. A value, the association of a key and value is called the key value of a. Key value of a. The dictionary is created by using the curly braces. A list is set bracket dictionary using curly braces. Dictionary methods. Modern method is the CMP, len, clear, get, hash key, item keys, value, update, examples I give. One example I give you. Month equal dish. So print month. Curly braces. Month 1 Jan, month 2 beef. The print month. Yeah, print month 2 beef 1 Jan. Okay. Next method, tulips. This same categories use this all methods. Okay. Len means count of the same method using. So length of the values. Clear means that value is clear. Get value, get item, keys, values, update, everything. Tulips. Yet tuples is a key sequence of values which can be of any types and they are indexed by the integer. The tuples on the just like list but we cannot change value. The tuples is a place that tuples are enumerable. The index value of tuples start from 0. Tuple slice. The operators works on type. Also, this is used to display the more than one selected value on the output screen. So output screen slice or the treat as the boundaries and he result will contain all the elements between the boundaries. The sequence equal to start, stop, step. Okay. Tips functions and the same method come, len, max, min, tip. So for example, t equal to tube, print t, open bracket and close bracket. T value assigned 1 to Monday to Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Print T. So how many month set the bracket using tubes. So how many month is there? Say how many days is there? 7 days. We can use the len function 7 days. Okay. So understood clearly. So what is the list? What is the dictionary? What is the tubes? Okay. Yeah, this is the complete this first unit. So already put 9 videos. If you not watch, please and watch, continue only, understand the Python software. Next video I put the second unit start Python using CPP. Oops, concept how to link to the Python. Okay, if you like my class, if you like my video, subscribe my channel. If it useful for you, please send your friends and share your friends. Very useful for the engineering students or computer science, BSc computer science children's, then higher secondary children's computer department. Very useful for this Python. I easily teach, I think. So share your friends. If you anybody your relations computer science friends is there, please share and subscribe, comment. If you want any changes, if you want anything, command. Thank you, friends.